Okay, this is an old Seaboard airline rail station, long since abandoned, boarded up, but historical. It looks like you have an old rail here. Really neat tile roof and kind of, I guess, Mediterranean style. It's really neat old building, still standing, but like I said, completely boarded up. The tracks still run across from it, but I don't know to what extent they're used. But I don't know what these things would have held, but it'd probably be something wood. The platform probably would have been covered. So the tracks probably ran right next to the warehouse door, and as most of these train stations are, you have one on this side, big door, for unloading the cargo, and then out the other side onto the trucks or the wagons or whatever. Probably in this case it would have been the trucks. This isn't 19th century, I don't believe, by any stretch. Probably 20s to 40s. Really cool old style though of building. Really neat. And here you can get to see the other side of it, the Homestead, Florida on it. And here's some really neat decorative pieces here. There's one over here, it's got broken off a little bit. Apparently it's for sale. I don't know what that would look like, but hopefully there's some sort of historic preservation restrictions on it. I like the old tile roof, it's pretty cool. Some of it's deteriorated, but it's probably still in good enough shape that you could do something with it. And if Homestead has a ghetto, we're in it. Deepest in it. It's quite a couple of miles worth of coming in here to get to this site. So, this will be our last stop for this trip. The weekend will be officially over. Stop and get something to eat on the way home. We'll be out.